This time, we from Group 1 will present our material discussing the cardiovascular system with my three friends, and I will introduce myself. The first, I will introduce myself. My name is Geraldy Hukom with the last number ID 127.
My name is Putu Senja Pratiwi and my last ID number is 123.
My name is Elsa, Tiara, Dewi, and my last ID number is 124.
My name is Komang, Estiani, and my last ID number is 190.
We will answer the material.
Okay, the first one is cardiovascular system. So the cardiovascular system is the body's blood circulation system consisting of the heart, blood vessels, and blood components. Its function is to deliver oxygen and nutrients throughout the body to support metabolic process. This system has various regulatory mechanisms to adapt to body activity, including increasing blood supply to active tissues. In extreme conditions, blood flow is priorities to vital organs such as the heart and brain to maintain circulatory function. Okay, the next one is the heart location. The heart is a cone-shaped organ located in the left mediastinum, protected by the ribs, weighing 250 until 350 grams in adults. It serves as the cardiovascular center, with its apex being palpable below the left nipple. Its positions relates closely to surrounding structures, anteriorly with the sternum and ribs, superiorly with blood vessels and bronchi, posteriorly with the esophagus and spine, laterally with the lungs, and inferiorly with the diaphragm. Okay, the next one is heart wall layers. The heart wall consists of three layers. The outer layer is the pericardium, which functions as a protective pouch. This pouch consists of two layers, is fibrous and serous, and contains lubricating fluid to prevent friction that can harm the heart. The middle layer is the myocardium, which is the heart muscle that pumps and receives blood from the coronary arteries. And the innermost layer is the endocardium. It's a smooth membrane that lines the inside of the ventricles and atria, ensuring smooth blood flow.
For the next one, we will go in the heart consists of four chambers, and namely, the first one is right atrium, and the second one is right ventricle, the third is left atrium, the fourth is left ventricle. The next one is the general function of the heart muscle. The first one is hyperintensity or automaticity property, and the second one is follow the out or non-low, and the third cannot undergo satanic contraction. The fourth is the stretch of contraction is influenced by the initial length of the muscle. And the next one, the function of the heart as a pump is the first one, function of the atrium as a pump. The second one is function of the ventricle as a pump. and the third is ejection period, the fourth is diastole, and the fourth is isometric relaxation period.
Okay, next is, as you can see, this is a picture of heart anatomy. Okay, next is cardiac circulation. First is position and shape. Inverted cone shape located in the left chest cavity, and then the weight 250 to 350 grams. Heart layers, there are three, is pericardium, myocardium, and endocardium. Pericardium, outer protective layers. Myocardium, pumping muscles, and endocardium is in the inner layers. Next is blood flow. First is dirty blood. Dirty blood flows to the right atrium, to the right ventricles, and then to the lungs. Second is clean blood. Clean blood to the left atrium, to the left ventricle, and then to the entire body. Next is blood vessels. Blood vessels are tubes that carry blood throughout the body, delivering oxygen and nutrients while removing waste products of metabolism. There are three main types of blood vessel, namely arteries, veins, and capillaries. Okay, next is specific function of blood vessels. There are five. There are arteries, arterioles, capillaries, venules, and veins. The first is arteries. The function is carry oxygen-rich blood from the heart to the body. Two, arterioles. The function is help control blood flow and blood pressure. Three is capillaries. The functions is serve as site for the exchange of oxygen, nutrients, and waste. Four is venules. The function is carry blood from capillaries to veins. And last is veins. The function is return oxygen or blood back to the heart.
Okay, the next one is blood vessels anatomy. So blood vessels are spread throughout the body from large ones like the aorta and vena cava to tiny capillaries. And their walls have three main layers. There are tunica intima, the second one is tunica media, and the last one is tunica adventitia. So there are three main layers of blood vessels, and the first one is tunica intima. It's the inner layer that keeps blood flowing smoothly, and the position is under the tunica media. The second one is tunica media. It's the middle layer with muscle and elastic fibers that control vessel size. And the position is in the middle between tunica externa and tunica intima. And the last one is tunica adventitia, or we can call that tunica externa, is the outer layer that provides strength and protection. So we finally arrive at the conclusion. The cardiovascular system consists of the heart, blood, vessels, and blood, functioning to circulate oxygen and nutrients throughout the body.
and the heart serves as the main pump with 4 chambers and 3 wall layers, circulating blood through 2 pathways, such as pulmonary and systemic circulation, and blood vessels, such as arteries, veins, capillaries, is a form of distribution network with 3-layer structures, with its automatic and rhythmic nature. This system ensures survival through efficient blood circulation.
That's all about the material, and we want to say thank you very much for listening our material. We apologize if there are any mistakes on our delivery.
Om Santi 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 Om.